Hello, my name is Anna. I'm a junior here at BU, and today I'm going to be filming kind of a day in the life, but today's video is really just about connection. I feel like ever since COVID, it's been so much harder to connect with people, especially on campus. And I saw recently that Student Wellbeing here at BU is taking some initiative on this, and they've come out with these kits that come with gift cards where you can take someone out for coffee and ask them a question that comes with a kit and just kind of get to know them. So I'm going to be testing this out today and seeing if it's a good option for students at BU to get back into connecting with each other after COVID. But let's skip first to me waking up at the crack of dawn for class. Good morning. It's 8:15 in the morning. I'm exhausted. I have a French test right now. I have a bunch of stuff to do today, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me. It's raining really hard outside, and guess what I don't have? An umbrella. I do have a raincoat though. It's really stylish. You guys are gonna love it. My raincoat. Okay, I'm running kind of late. I need to make coffee. I just want to get this test over with, so let's go. So Fridays are usually one of my busier days. I have 3 classes. One of them is 3 hours long. It can be a busy day. I have a class in like 5 minutes, and then I have another class right after that class. This is the best thing ever from Breadwinners spinach croissant. Get it? It will change your life, change my life forever. I will never be the same. We have a scavenger.
Yeah, apparently we're like in our group gonna walk around Boston. I don't know.
Oh, okay. I'm vlogging. Do you want to say hi?
Hi. We're her MO team.
We're my MO team. We have a lot of
Are you
fun.
an actual vlogger?
Well, I'm vlogging for BU.
Oh, hey, BU. Hello. We're
Okay.
starting our journey.
So we have a scavenger hunt for our class. The hint said something about kilometers, so we think that it's miles. So here's miles. And I think we have to take a picture in front of it or something. Today I'm joined with my friend here. We met in class.
Hi, I'm Yashika.
Do you want to tell them a little bit about yourself?
So I'm a sophomore in Questrom, and I'm not sure about my concentration yet, but I'm thinking marketing, more specifically like luxury marketing, and yeah.
You know?
Interesting.
I got an iced tea because I've had 3 coffees today. By the way, if you don't know, this is a Dunkin' in Stuvie. So if you're a BU student, I didn't even know that this place existed, so now you know. You're welcome. I guess we could start with a question.
Okay, getting into the deep stuff.
Yeah. Who do you admire most in life and why?
I think it would be my grandmother. My grandfather died at a really early age, and she had 3 children to raise all by herself. And in India, being a woman single at that time, not a fun thing to be. So she like stitched like clothes and everything and sent them to school. So I feel like I really appreciate like the legacy that I have because of her.
I think mine is also my grandma. She went through so much in her life, and she like kept my family, you know, strong, and she never broke down in front of us. And I always like admired that about her. I don't know, do we even follow each other on social media?
Snapchat, yes.
Do
We
have
have.
an Instagram?
I don't think so.
Because the next question is my social media an accurate representation of me? Okay, so we're gonna stalk each other's Instagrams and then answer that question. Dude, your outfits
I was just gonna say your outfits.
You're
Like,
killing it.
yeah, that's amazing.
Are you kidding?
I feel like you're so cute and like you're so open to talk to and really
Thank you.
beautiful.
Cute. Because some people, you go onto their Instagram, it's like you see a certain type of person, but then you meet them and you're like, first of all, you don't look like that.
Yeah.
Second of all, like
Ooh.
this is not your personality at all.
Yeah. Like even my like pictures before, I was like trying to like model and like it really didn't come like through like that. But I was just trying to like hide all my insecurities.
My freshman year of college, I was not having a good time. But if you looked at my Instagram, my freshman year of college, you would have thought that I was having the time of my life.
Like it's not just for you, like your self-image gets like affected because of that, but even others around you.
Yeah,
Like the entire community and your friends. So I feel like it's really.
Yeah.
Oh, what would you in the past be more surprised about you now? Oh, that's so interesting.
I liked that one a lot.
Yeah.
I used to be really extremely shy. Like I was so scared of people, and I was so especially in high school, I did not talk to anyone other than my closest friends. Especially being in Question, like it's helped me get out of my shell and stuff. A few years ago, like I wouldn't have talked to you in class. Like I would have been too scared. So I think high school me would have been proud of that.
I'm proud of you for that.
Thank
That's
you.
really, no, that's really cute. I think I do the same. I still am a lot of myself. Like I don't go out and talk to many people. But I feel like I've always had like really a bad body image issue, and I never like I felt like nobody wanted to talk to me, so I would never approach them. But like now in Question for sure, like you know like it forces you to get out of like your
Yeah.
comfort zone
Yeah.
and meet like new people, and it's so nice. Like I really
Yeah.
enjoy that now.
It just helps like to make friends in class. You have someone to ask questions, and you also get together with people.
Yeah,
Which is what we're doing. Go out with someone in your class, get one of these little things, get to know each other, because it's awesome.
It is. She's really nice.
Thanks. You're really nice too. You're okay, I guess.
Yeah, not that bad.
So I just got back. I had a great time. I really enjoyed all the conversations we had. I feel like we would take the question and just go into a completely deeper conversation, which was really nice. But yeah, I think after doing that, I would definitely recommend that to other students. I think sometimes we all just need to push. Definitely look out for student well-being passing out these kits. It's going to be on campus, it's going to be at events. You're definitely going to be hearing from them, and you'll get the chance to get one of these kits yourself and get to know someone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.